Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is renaming of Kerala. Recently, a resolution has been passed by the Kerala Assembly to rename Kerala as Kerelam. To change the name of a state, approval from the Union Ministry of Home Affairs is required. The demand for a united Kerala for all Malayalam-speaking communities has been strongly raised right from the days of the freedom struggle. Now let us look into the origin of the name. Emperor Ashoka's rock edict 2nd of 257 BC mentions the name Kerala. The inscription refers to the local ruler as Kerala Putra, Sanskrit for son of Kerala, and also son of Chera, referring to the Chera dynasty. Kerelam originated from Cheram as per the scholars. The state of Kerala came into being on November 1st, 1956. In Malayalam, the state was referred to as Kerelam, while in English it was Kerala. Unlike renaming of cities, a constitutional amendment is required to rename the state. If the Ministry of Home Affairs accepts the proposal, it requires NOC from various agencies. Once the proposal is accepted, the resolution received from the state government is introduced as a bill in the parliament, becomes a law, and the name of the state is changed.